What's going on, mga quiz? What's going on YouTube? So this is the TPOB troll clipper. This was sent to me by ThePiece of Barber. Again, shout out to you, my brother, ThePiece of Barber. So this is the TPOB troll with the 3-color series. So you can buy this TPOB troll with a single cover or a triple cover. So this one, the only difference is this one has a taper blade and the other one has a fade blade. So this is the package that I received for the clipper series. So this is the TPOB troll with 240 minutes runtime. It has a DLC taper blade, like I said, and 3 interchangeable covers. So it has a super torque motor, and at the back of this, it has a high performance super torque or high torque digital motor with a 6,800 RPM. Okay, a DLC blade. So the TPOB troll cuts easily through the hair with just a single slide. So a simple size body at 17.2 centimeter length and a lightweight at 320 grams. Ergonomic designs to have a balanced weight and comfortable use while still offering a low noise level and a superior performance. So these are the covers and the blade. So of course you can visit ThePieceOfBarber.com and get a 15% discount using my discount code SAMPITS. And of course, please follow The Piece of Barber social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So let's open this box. So this is a magnetic box just like the other TPOB products. So the green one is the stock color of the clipper, but I'd rather change it to pink one. So this is the clipper. Okay, let's go back later to the clipper. Let's check what's inside. So you have user's manual and you have the accessories inside. So you will get 2 screwdrivers, smaller and bigger one, and 8 guide combs. You have small brush. So the TPOB troll comes with a taper blade. So this is the replacement, or you can buy this taper blade on the TPOB website. Of course, you can still use my discount code, everything what's in the website. 15% discount code SAMPITS. On this package, you will get extra cam follower, cutter blade, and the taper outer blade, So this taper blade is very thin and very sharp blade, If you are heavy-handed like me, you might be very careful using this blade, This is very sharp. So that's why I prefer to use a fade blade on this clipper, This is a very sharp, don't get me wrong. But I don't use taper blade. I only use fade blade on my machines, So I'd rather put the Tpob X fade blade here, but the cutter blade is still the original cutter blade of this TPOB troll. Again, don't get me wrong, this is a very sharp blade. Like I said, I'm a heavy-handed. I don't use taper blade, So the cover is also green, and you have 5 position lever. This is the cover so it has a transparent cover here. This is a metal part, that's why this one makes. This is made of plastic, but it's kind of not very heavy. It has a weight because of this metal that holds the motor and the tension spring. So this is very, very sturdy. So you have a single LED indicator here and the charging port. And this is the switch, okay? And at the back is the TPOB and the certification. While charging your TPOB troll clipper, the LED light will blink and the LED light will stays on once this is fully charged. So this is a very good clipper. It's very quiet and very powerful. Of course, the blade is very sharp, If you want to see more videos of haircuts using this TPOB troll clipper, just follow my Facebook page, my Instagram account, and please subscribe to this channel. You can see or you can watch all the videos, haircut videos that I uploaded using this TPOB troll clipper and some TPOB machines. So again, thank you for watching. This is the TPOB troll clipper unboxing video. All haircuts videos are already uploaded on my YouTube channel, Instagram, and Facebook. So please follow those. And again, shout out to The Piece of Barber. Thank you very much. Sam Pits the Barber signing out. God bless.